if you have a love for cars in the automotive industry, it may hold the perfect career for you. Gwatney Buick GMC currently has several opportunities in North Little Rock, and Jamie Cobb is here to tell us all about it. Jamie, so good to see you.
Hey, good morning.
We look good with our pink, the blue, the yellow. We're so festive today in our colors. Okay, so you've been in this industry more than 35 years. You kind of know what's up, what's going on here.
I don't say I know everything, but I will say that I started with no experience and walked into a car dealership, got hired as a salesperson, and just love for automobiles. I mean, I loved cars growing up as a kid, played with cars as a kid, and so now I get to do it as an adult.
What kind of changes have you seen throughout those years in this business?
Probably the biggest change has probably been the internet. You know, when I started selling cars, you had two ways to get information: call the dealer or show up. You know, there wasn't any kind of brochures in the mail or things like that. And so the internet has really changed the technology and how you shop for a car and look for cars and pick a car out. It used to be people would go to 5 dealerships before they made a buying decision. Now they only shop maybe 1 or 2 because they know what they're looking for, and if you've got it, they'll come to you.
Well, I assume some of the basics have probably stayed the same, and so some people actually are able to follow in your footsteps a little bit. Tell us a little bit about this.
Absolutely. I mean, if you wanted to start a career in car sales today, you don't have to have a college degree. You don't have to have a crazy background in education. You just have to have the willing to be customer friendly, take care of customers, follow up after the sale, learn the product knowledge, which is very simple to do. Once you get in the vehicles, they are very technical today, but you just get inside, you learn them. There's information online, tests you can take, things that get you familiar with the product.
Yeah, for sure. Well, you have something that sets you apart from a lot of other dealerships, is that you really have a family-first attitude. So tell us about that flexibility when it comes to that.
Well, when I got in the car business, we were 7 days a week, Monday through Sunday, to 8 o'clock at night. I had young children. I missed a lot of their birthday parties. I missed family gatherings. And I believe that that's important, that you have to do. So we make schedules to be flexible for people to be able to have those abilities to take time off, spend time with families, see their kids grow up, go to sports functions, soccer games, basketball games, things like that. And so we work with our people really well. I've got salespeople that don't work weekends, but they do work really hard during the week, but they take every weekend off. They don't work Saturdays, and it works for us because it works for them.
Yeah, as a new mom, I can say that flexibility is definitely much needed for sure. Okay, so you actually have career opportunities in the service department. So what does that entail? What kind of person are you looking for?
Well, again, people that want to have a technical background. I mean, people with computer skills can be great automotive technicians because everything has become so computer related. So sometimes you have to be able to diagnose a problem before you can fix it. It's not just the old saying, turning wrenches per se, but there is still a lot of that, and a lot of people love working on cars. We teach people to fix cars. We may start you off in a service department oil change area and then put you with an experienced technician to give you that leadership training side by side so you can become a certified technician.
I was going to ask, I know you do train, so kind of go into more detail about that training process.
So we have what we call the Gwatney Automotive Gap program, and that's where we teach you side by side with a trained technician. We pay you to do the work. We give you bonuses to help buy tools. And again, we just grow your career through that technical training, hands-on experience. And again, a lot of it is computer training where you're getting online, you're taking tests, and you're learning the industry from the ground up. But again, not necessarily having to have any kind of a mechanical background to start in that industry if you look for an opportunity to be a technician.
Yeah, you're definitely not going to just hire someone and be like, okay, good luck.
No,
Figure it out.
You can't do that. Not with all the safety issues related to a vehicle today. And then the same thing in our collisions business, the body business, and these are all opportunities that can be lifetime careers for people. It's not something that has a lifespan that it runs out. You can work in the automotive industry for the rest of your life.
That is a good point. These are careers that are available. If somebody wants to apply, what's the best way to do that?
Either get online at GwatneyBuickGMC.com, or you can come see us at Gwatney Buick GMC next to Sam's Club in North Little Rock.
Perfect. Anything else that we need to know? What's going on there at Gwatney Buick GMC?
It's a fun industry. It's a fun business. If you like to be able to be indoors, outdoors, not always sitting at a desk, But again, there's opportunities in our offices for clerical things like that. But again, career building opportunities that we offer every day.
Perfect. Jamie, thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate it.